Hello people, it's Hizan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems of the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as Stimmy Protocol. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this. It's a mailbox full of money. So hitting your account, Stimmy Protocol is a community-driven, fair launch DeFi token created to fight the monetary crisis generated by boomers. So they have mentioned their contract, which has been renounced, and buy on PancakeSwap and track on KuCoin. So I will show you all that. So let me tell you what Stimmy Protocol is. Stimmy Protocol was created with the idea to stimulate the holders' economy. It is a cryptocurrency project run entirely by its community. Their objective is to revolutionize the economy by helping their investor achieve financial freedom. The pandemic has proven that uncertainty is a threat, and they believe that they must contribute to their community by sharing their knowledge and fixing the broken economy left by boomers. Stimmy's success will be linked to the action taken by the community. Teamwork is fundamental, and the only thing that can make them stand out from other projects, help them redefine, redistribute, and acquire collective wealth. So why on BSC? Stimmy's initial token launch was expected on the Ethereum network, but due to the high transaction fees, they have realized that it would prevent those who needed Stimmy the most to have fair access. Their commitment is to help their community prosper and grow, and BSC allow them to provide a more affordable alternative to those in need. So the vision is simple, like they are committed to creating an ecosystem that breaks the current cryptocurrency scheme. This might seem like a simple meme-based token, but they are so much more than that. They will create a market for NFTs and provide an airdrop to their Stimmy holders. In the future, they will have their own DEX Stimmy swap, and they will add two more tokens to the ecosystem that will add value in many different ways. So the token features are like reflection is 5% fees redistributed to all existing holders. Manual burn. Stimmy protocol aims to implement a burn strategy that is beneficial and rewarding for those engaged in the long term. Automatic liquidity pool. The contract takes a token from sellers and buyers and adds them to the LP, creating a solid price floor. So the tokenomics are like 1 quadrillion of total supply, in which 300 trillion of tokens burn before launch, 630 trillion of circulating supply, and 70 trillion of deployment and manual burns. So you can see the percentage here. So its main feature are 5% fees to redistribute to all holders, which we call reflection, and 5% is split 50-50, half of which is sold by contract into BNB, while the other half of the Stimmy tokens are paired automatically with the previously mentioned BNB and added as a liquidity pair on PancakeSwap, which can't be traded and which make it rug pull proof, and the 10% fees on every transaction. So the market cap raised is $815,000. And as you can read the circulating supply here, which is 700 trillion, and token burns are here. Let's see the BSC scan report for that. Okay, so let me show you their graph. So your price is super low, like you can see here, 0 point a lot of 0 and 136. At first it shows a bullish graph, as you can see that it goes to all-time high here. So when it reached here, people sold their coin, and now it's in dip here, but it's recovering its position. Like you can see the green candles here, like it's recovering its position now, and it will go again like a bullish graph, as you can see. Like it started from here, and then it have a pump, and then again a pump, then it a dip, but it had maintained its position, like it didn't came all the way here. So that's a good thing. So they are listed on coin hunters, as you can see here, 78 of votes, hashtag 78 on votes. So they you can upvote them on coin hunters. They were launched on May 27 on coin hunters. Here it is. So they will launch their Stimmy swap, which is coming soon. So yeah, that's a good thing. So let's have a look at the contact address here and BSC scan. As you can see, transfer are made of 2,820 on 895 addresses, and the transfer report is super recent. People mainly use PancakeSwap v2 for that, and to buy it as for the hoodlers. Let's have a look. So this 38% are locked in, are burned permanently, so it will increase the price floor of circulating supply. And this 10% and 6% are locked in liquidity. So I don't see any big whales in the community, like people sell their coins like in here. So they won't affect the market by this way that it would go to rug pull. So it's safe. Let's copy this contact address and go to PancakeSwap. Let me show you how to buy it on PancakeSwap. Paste it here. click. So it would appear here like this, and you can connect your MetaMask, like install an extension for Google Chrome, and from your old wallet you can load up some BNB to it. And once you do that, for 1 BNB you will get this much Stimmy. So just click swap and pump your bags with it. So let's have a look at their roadmap, because roadmap shows what this project have done and what are they going to achieve next. So their protocol initialized in Q2 2021. They did a protocol creation and design, website branding and social media. Their DHCL launch on PancakeSwap, contract renounced, liquidity lock for 4 years, logo update on BSC scan, 30% burn of total supply to a burn address. Timmy Smart contracted audit by a block audit and report. In Q3 2021, they would do a building momentum like Stimmy listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter marketing campaigns, partnership with 2 renowned influencers, Stimmy's Bazaar merchandise website to purchase Stimmy products, where is my Stimmy hashtag, a real life tracking option to Stimmy's market value in dollars, direct buying integration on their website. So as for Q4, they would do NFTs for all, artist incubator, which different artists can trade NFTs for, Stimmy token, NFT community.com petitions, limited edition NFT for loyal members, NFT airdrop and Stimmy holder per allocation and loyalty, Stimmy gaming, and Stimmy goes viral. In Q1 2022, they would do the launch of 2 new tokens to the ecosystem that would allow for token farming, and launch their new decentralized exchange. Every Stimmy holder will have the ability to stake and provide liquidity to yield farm in their platform to earn checks, stimulate checks. One of the new tokens they are launching, so its name would be Checks. So this was up for their website. Let me show you their social media, because social media shows how transparent and how big the community is. Okay, so this is their Telegram, which is named as this is a joint chat link, so you can only join it from their website, or I will provide their Telegram link in the description box, where you can join it and know the community, know the admins, talk with them, know the live price charts, etc. They have an Instagram. If you are an Instagram user, you can follow them here too, to stay updated with their project and know about recent things they do. And their Twitter, which is named as Stimmy Protocol, 142 tweets, 318 followers, and their last post was 3 hours ago, 8,000 hoodlers, and this is just beginning. Yeah, okay, so they are updated on their Twitter too, where they, you can gain more knowledge about them, so you can follow them here too. As for the Medium, if you are doing research on this project, you can go through their blogs and read out all of that. They have 8 followers on their Medium. And Reddit, you can request to post, so when they approve your post, you can just post in here and people will comment and you can know the community better. This is their GitHub, where their source code are available. It is free to watch, you can just have a look in it, so it will come in soon. So nice. So this was up for Stimmy Protocol. If you are interested in Stimmy Protocol, I will leave the website link of it in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, do some research. If you want to invest in it, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. That's super easy, as I told you. So if you want to go with it, go for it. And this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just bring hidden crypto gems to you. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we will bring you more hidden gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.